Hi students, very good afternoon. Now we will see about what is database management system. Before studying about the database management system, we should know what is a database. A database is called an electronic database, any collection of data or information that is specially organized for the rapid search or retrieval by a computer. And database is a collection of related data that is known facts that can be recorded and have implicit meaning. So implicit properties of some databases are a database represents some aspects of the real world and it is a logically coherent collection of data with some inherent meaning. So it is designed, built and populated with data for a specific purpose. And what do you mean by database management system? It's a collection of programs that enables users to create and maintain maintain the database. General purpose of the software system that facilitates the process of defining, constructing, and manipulating database for the various applications. So for various applications, we can generate the defining, constructing, and manipulating the DBMS. And this is the environment for database. There is a user programmers and then DBMS software is there. In that user programmers, we can use the application that can be used by the programs or queries. Whereas the DBMS software, the software is used to process the queries or programs, or software is used to access the stored data. Then these are some applications of the DBMS. Applications of DBMS are railway system, railway reservation system, library management system, banking, education sector, credit card transactions, social media sites, telecommunication, finance, online shopping, human resource management, manufacturing. These are some of the applications of DBMS. Many are there, few for you. And database users. Then who are all the database users? Database users are the one who really use and take the benefits of database. There will be different types of users depending on their need and way of accessing the database. They can be categorized into two different database users. One is actors on the screen and actors behind the screen. Then this is the basic things. What are the characteristics of the database approach? There are a number of characteristics that distinguish the database approach from the much older approach of programming with files. In traditional file processing, each user defines and implements the files needed for a specific software application as a part of programming applications. For example, one user on the grade reporting office may keep files on students and their grades. For example, programs to print a student transcript and to enter new grades are implemented as part of the application. A second user, the accounting office, may keep track of students' fees and their payments. Although both users are interested in data about students, each user maintains separate files and programs to manipulate these files because each requires some data not available from the other user files. This redundancy in defining and storing data results in wasted storage space and in redundant efforts to maintain common up-to-date data. In the database approach, a single repository maintains that is defined once and then accessed by the various users. Some implications of the database approach. One is the potential for enforcing standards and reduced application of development time, flexibility to alter the data structures, availability of up-to-date information, economy of scalability. These are some of the advantages of DBMS. Controlling redundancy is one of the main advantage of DBMS, followed by restricting unauthorized access, providing persistent storage for program objects and data structures, representing complex relationship programming, providing multiple user interfaces, enforcing integrity constraints, providing backup and recovery, minimized data inconsistency, better data integration, faster data access, better decision making, and simplicity. Some of the disadvantages of DBMS: increased cost management, intricacy, maintaining currency, frequent upgrade or replacement cycles. So when not to use DBMS? So high initial investment in hardware, software, and training. During that time, we should not use the DBMS. In generality, that DBMS provides for defining and processing data, overhead of providing security, concurrency control, recovery, and integrity functions. So therefore, it may be more desirable to use regular files under the following circumstances. Simple, well-defined database applications that are not expected to change at all. Um, So no multiple user access to data. Similarly, communication and switching system designed by companies like AT&T were early manifestations of database software that was made to run very fast with the hierarchically organized data for quick access and routing of calls. Similarly, GIS implementations often implement their own data organization schemes for efficiently implementing functions related to processing maps, physical contours, lines, polygons, and so on. General purpose DBMS are inadequate for their purpose. So these are the basic things of what is DBMS. In next video, we will see one by one. Thank you.